In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now click on More Settings, scroll down and tap on this icon next to Location. As you can see, after that, location of my smartphone is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Location section. Lastly, manage location by tapping on this switcher next to Use Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!